Hello, Mr. MacGuffin. Why, hello there. Jamie? What are you doing? I'm just hanging around. Hey, what's up? I'm Jamie Fishback, and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box, where we're here to show you and tell you what's in the box. This episode, we have Cooper and Kid. It is a quarterly box. That means every 3 months at $65. It's a box meant for dads and their kids. Well, I'm a dad and I have kids, so let's get this box open. So every box that you get from Cooper and Kid is based on a theme, and this theme is Quiet on Set. So let's see what kind of movie stuff we're gonna get ourselves into. So the first thing in the box is this medallion to commemorate your time with your kids, and you're a good father, or so it says. So there's some digital downloads, so once you get through the box, head to cooperandkid.com and check those out for each box. There's also recipe cards there so that you can make dinners with your kids or for your kids, tips and tricks and ideas that are based around the theme of this quarter's box. So the next thing that we have in the box is our props. So we have Charlie Chitlin's Bobtail Brooks, Honky Tonk Tex, and Train Track Tony, the case of characters. The next thing in here is we have the activity kit here. This has everything that the box has in it, all the instructions, how to do everything. There's a ton of stuff in this book. There's hours and hours and hours of things that you can do with your kids. The more involved they are, the happier they're gonna be because they wanna help and be a part of the experience and learning it right side with you. Right side with you? Right along with you. Every activity in the box comes with a number associated with it, which corresponds to the number in the activity book. Activity number 6 is a picture is worth 1,000 words. And the idea behind this is that this book has no words in it. It's a book of pictures designed for kids who can't read yet, who can make up a story about the picture themselves. So encourage your kids to tell you what story that they're seeing in this picture. You'll be surprised at what they come up with. Each activity is ranked by its difficulty. So you'll see here, super hard, it's about 120 minutes long. Green, super easy, takes about 8 minutes. So it'll give you an opportunity if you have 10 minutes, do the easy peasy one. If you got a little bit longer, do the really hard ones. The next thing in the box is activity number 1, which is the movie making kit. This is an old school movie projector. On the back here, you see it's got a light, and you build the box and you put the slides through the box and it projects it onto a wall. This takes about an hour and a half to do with your kids, so be patient with them because it's gonna take a lot of time and effort and help from you to make this an awesome thing. So the next in the box, we have activity number 3, which is like charades meets improv meets a card game. So in the pack, it comes with a deck of cards, which is like different objects that you have to represent as an actor in your improv. Then you have the chalkboard and chalk pen, which is the screenwriter's job to write silent words so that the actor knows what to do. And then the director holds up the words so that the actor knows what to act and how to incorporate each card. The game takes about 30 minutes to do, so have fun. Learn how to improv with your kids, and you'll be surprised at what they come up with. The no mess, pie in your face gag. This is just foam and cotton balls, and all you need is to glue it together. They even provide you the glue, and you can do pie in your face all day long like Charlie Chaplin. So have some fun, glue things. Don't worry, there's no mess, so no cleanup. Itty bitty glue. All right, the next activity that we have is activity number 2, which is a puppet show. So the thing that we have at the top of the box with all the characters in it, you're gonna take the sticks, put them on the characters, and just have some fun with a puppet show. Let your kids, again, come up with an amazing story with Bobtail Brooks and Honky Tonk Tex and Train Track Tony and Charlie Chitlin's. See what kind of mischief these guys can get themselves into. The last activity in the box is activity number 5, a delightful egg MacGuffin. So you have your MacGuffin, you have your color markers, you color your MacGuffin, and you have some fun coming up with a story. Hello, Mr. MacGuffin.
Why, hello there, Jamie.
What are you doing?
I'm just hanging around.
Just like that, but better. If you'd like, make sure you guys upload it to cooperandkid.com so that everybody can see the amazing stories that you and your kids have come up with MacGuffin.
Hi, everybody.
One last thing to mention here is the call sheet, which has everything that you're gonna need for the activities, what to wear, where to do it, and the different activities and what order to do them in. So that's everything in the Cooper and Kid activity box. I'm really excited to try this out with my kids. Just as a reminder, some of these activities require reading and writing for your kids, so be aware as you're doing that with them that they might need a little help. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. Tell me what your favorite activity was growing up with your family. Or if you have kids, tell me what you love doing with them. As you may have seen, we've updated a lot of things around here. Check out our new What's in the Box logo. If you want one of these awesome tees, click the link below to check out all of our merch. I'm Jamie Fishback.
And that's another episode of What's in the Box. See you next time.